In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Aircall Data. By the end, you'll have a clean connection between your HubSpot portal and Aircall Data, so call activity and records can sync automatically. Start by opening your browser and heading to your search engine. Type HubSpot, then click the official HubSpot website. Sign into your account as you normally would. If you have access to multiple HubSpot portals, make sure you choose the one where you intend to install the integration. It's best to use an account with the right permissions to add apps. If you don't have those, an admin on your team will need to complete the install. Once you're in HubSpot, look for the Marketplace icon in the top navigation bar. It often looks like a little storefront or grid. Click that to open HubSpot's App Marketplace. If you don't immediately see the Marketplace option, you may be in a part of HubSpot with limited access. So switch to a main dashboard or confirm your permissions. Inside the Marketplace, use the search bar at the top and type Aircall Data. Give it a moment to load the results, then select the Aircall Data listing from the results page. On the listing page, take a quick look at the overview and requirements so you know what objects sync and what permissions the app will request. Confirm you're selecting the correct app that supports the features you need for your calling workflow. Next, click Install. HubSpot may show a brief permissions screen outlining what the app will be able to access. Review that information and proceed if everything looks right for your team. After the installation begins, you'll see an option to connect to Aircall Data Sync. Click Connect to start the authorization flow. You'll be redirected to sign in to your Aircall Data Sync account. Use the credentials associated with the Aircall workspace you want to link to this HubSpot portal. During this step, you may be asked to approve access so the integration can read and write the data needed for syncing. Confirm the prompts and wait for the connection to complete. When authorization is successful, you'll land back in HubSpot with the integration marked as connected. Initial syncing can take a few minutes depending on your data size. You can keep working while it completes. That's it, your HubSpot and Aircall Data accounts are now integrated. From here, you can monitor the connection from HubSpot's app settings and fine-tune any preferences offered by the app. Thanks for following along, and enjoy the streamlined call data in your CRM.